Let's take a look at this coin called VRA or Veracity. Um, I think that this coin has been going through a long period of accumulation. As you guys can see, we've been accumulating within this pennant for over 2,000 days, right? And usually when you accumulate in pennants like this, especially when you haven't seen a breakout in over 2-3 years, it's very likely that we're going to have a very parabolic rise to the upside because there's so much pent up energy in here, right? You actually have, and like I say in my previous videos, what you tend to see is accumulation structures within larger accumulation structures. So you see this rectangular price action over here. This is your accumulation structure or your bottoming structure within this larger accumulation structure, which is this pennant. Okay, so now when we just take a simple fib from this high over here in 2021 down to the bear market low in 2024, we see that the 78.6% fib is at 0.067, which would be the major point of interest from the current price. Okay, so that would be sitting at about a 14x. Okay, so that's a 14x, and if it does go ahead and breach the all-time high, it would likely come towards the 1.618, which would be about a 28x. Okay, so very big gains on Veracity. I feel like it's a huge sleeper not many people are talking about. And the reason people don't talk about a coin is because it hasn't gone up yet, right? People only talk about coins when they've already gone up or if they're going up currently, right? So you want to be looking at the coins that no one talks about and the coins that are still within their accumulation phase. So zooming in over here, what we see that this over here was your bottom, right? This over here was your bottom in 2024, and then this over here was your retest. So your last point of support, continuation higher, your throwback towards the 70.2% fib, and the 200-day moving average. You see how we just came shy of tapping the 200-day moving average over here? There is still a possibility we come down to tap it like this, but I would say that this move over here is sufficient enough if you want to DCA into this. Okay, so you can start DCAing into this now, considering we have come down to the median, or considering we have come down to the median of this accumulation range, right? So this is the top of your range, this is the bottom of your range, and then this is the median. So you see all we were doing was just coming down to the median of the range, the 70.2% fib, and the 200-day moving average. We can also take a look at the 100-day moving average. Let's see where that is relative to the price. And yeah, it looks like we came down to the 100-day moving average. So this looks like a very good DCA opportunity and a good risk reward play. Okay, what we can also do when you have a pennant like this is you could just take a trend line from the low of the pennant to the high of the pennant and then copy and paste it to the apex, and it comes towards the 4.236% extension, which would be sitting at 35 cent. Looks like a very unrealistic price target considering that's a 84x, but remember, so far the major point of interest would be this 78.6% fib. Okay, so that would be sitting at 15x. We can also take a look here at the MACD. Let's see if we see any momentum building up. And here on the weekly time frame, let's take a look at the 2-week. And we see it kind of curling up here. So let's see if this can be sustained. I also like this momentum indicator. It's called Wave Trends with Signals. Really nice momentum indicator. One of my friends, Frank, He showed me this indicator, and it works really well in the crypto markets, especially on the high time frame. And you see we actually have Class C bullish divergence here. You have a lower low within the accumulation structure. So I'll make it red so you guys can see. And then you have a equal low on the indicator. Okay. And then you also have a higher low as well on the indicator, slight higher low relative to the December low. So equal low on the price, slight higher low on the indicator, and equal low on the indicator from September, and lower low on the indicator. So that's bullish. So it looks like all we were doing was coming down to backtest the 100-day and 200-day moving average and the 702.786 region before we continue our move to the upside. Now the bullish invalidation would be a weekly close below the 786 at 0.003478. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to stay updated with all of your favorite coins and assets, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.